In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Taobao account with Authentication 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and a few tips to keep the process smooth and secure. First, open the Taobao app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date, since older versions can hide or rename menu items. When the app loads, head to the My Taobao area. This is your personal hub, usually found on the bottom navigation bar as your profile section. Inside My Taobao, look for the Settings option. It often appears as a gear icon in the corner. Tap that to open your account controls. Within Settings, find and tap Account and Security. This is the section where Taobao keeps all the critical controls for login, passwords, and identity features. Because verification is tied to security, this is where you'll start the authentication process. Next, select Identity Verification. This is the entry point for confirming who you are. Verification helps unlock certain features, improves account safety, and can be required for purchases, refunds, or customer protection. When you tap Identity verification, the app will redirect you to Alipay. That's expected. Taobao and Alipay are part of the same ecosystem, and Alipay handles the actual identity confirmation. Don't worry if the screen changes style or color. That's simply the Alipay interface taking over. Once you're in Alipay, complete the same steps you just followed. In other words, navigate through the Alipay settings, go to Account and Security, and choose Identity Verification again to continue. The layout may look slightly different, but the path mirrors what you did in Taobao. Follow the prompts on screen to finish the verification. Keep your details consistent with the information on your account and make sure everything you enter matches exactly to avoid delays. If the app presents language options, pick the one you're most comfortable with so you can review each prompt carefully. A few quick tips as you proceed. Only use the official Taobao and Alipay apps from trusted app stores. If you see any unexpected pop-ups asking for information that doesn't match what the app normally requests, back out and restart the process. If the verification status doesn't update right away in Taobao after you complete it in Alipay, give it a minute and refresh the page. That's it. You open Taobao, went to My Taobao in settings,